I wake up in the morning
Hmm.
and I have to think of what to fill in two school dabbas. I'm lost. It has to be healthy. It has to be interesting.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they'll open the box and they'll shut it, and then they'll be eating from their friends.
Hi.
Hi, Anushka.
Hi.
Thank you so much for saying yes to fill this yum box with me.
I'm very excited.
I'm also extremely excited, and I'm also very thankful because every time I wake up in the morning and I have to think of what to fill in two school dabbas, I'm lost because it has to be healthy. It has to be interesting.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they'll open the box and they'll shut it, and then they'll be eating from their friends.
Yeah.
And also, it's like guilt, right?
Yeah.
That I have to give the best
Yeah.
to my child.
Yeah.
So I was like, I don't know what exactly I'm going to fill in this box now.
Yeah.
But I'm glad that you have volunteered to do this with me.
I'm
and
happy
I'm
to.
excited. Actually, I can eat all of this. So if you can just take me through what you're going to fill
Okay.
in this yum box.
So we have a rotation that we do.
Okay.
And a few of the things include banana pancakes.
Yeah.
I actually put some pear in there also with ragi
Yum.
atta. So it kind of makes it slightly sweeter. And he likes that, obviously.
And it looks like chocolate.
And it looks like chocolate. Then we have a few seeds and nuts, which
Okay.
he's very happy to just munch on, finger food, just pick it up
Yeah.
and eat. And you can eat that whenever, wherever.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And then my favorite is the date bar. Now this one has dates, it has peanut butter, it has nuts, it has seeds. And then,
Wow.
of course, it has a layer of dark chocolate, which is what makes
So for
it
mama and for baby.
absolutely. So I'll put a few fruits in if we can, or we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. And I also remember when I was in school and I would open my box and there would be something interesting. Like if there was somebody's birthday the night before and my mom would put that piece of cake,
Yeah.
I would just be like in heaven because
Yeah.
you're starving.
Yeah.
You know, and then suddenly you open that box and there's something yummy
Yeah.
like this. You're just going to be like, I'm going to eat that
Yeah.
first. But I love that it's packed with all the goodness.
Yeah.
Dark chocolate, which is also amazing.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is great. And also, I need these recipes. That's the whole
I'm
point of
happy
doing
to
this.
share them
Yes.
with you.
Me and everybody needs these recipes because I've never heard of pear in pancakes.
Yeah, we did apple in the beginning, but then apple kind of constipates you if you have it every other day.
So what do? Do you plan your menu a week in advance?
Kind of a few days in advance. It might not be a week, but at least 3 or 4 days so that I know what I
What
need.
you're doing, yeah.
I flaked and happened to make these last minute last night,
Yeah.
and that was stressful.
Yeah.
And I don't like having that on my head.
Yeah.
So I would rather plan it a few days in advance. We have a whiteboard
Nice.
in our kitchen that
Yeah.
we plan
Right
the
on.
whole month on and then plan the whole week on.
Whole month?
Yeah. Like there'll be a sort of thought. This is the idea that I have
Of this
for
month.
the 11th of this month, and this is the idea that I have for the 20th, and then we'll take that into the weekly calendar on the board.
Wow.
On that.
Oh my god, wow. Okay, let's get into this.
Okay, so the good thing about this box is that it has all these sections, right? And it has this tiny little section that only tiny little hands and fingers will go inside. So I put these little seeds and nuts in the tiny section.
Oh, they're pine nuts.
Yeah, the pine nuts and sunflower seeds.
I don't know, pine nuts have not been on my radar. Actually, that's such a good
They're
idea.
delicious. I love them. I call them baby kajus.
Yeah,
He loves
actually,
them.
yeah.
Yeah, so I do that, and then I put the baby pancakes here, filled enough, and then let's put the date bars here.
Yeah.
Because we have a little space, and maybe he'll enjoy a banana.
Oh my god, this does look amazing. I can eat this.
I know, right?
It's so yummy. And of course, you have your ragi.
Yeah.
You have your nut and dates.
Yeah.
And seeds.
Yeah.
And you have some more seeds and
Yeah.
pine nuts, which I don't know why I've never thought of. And the banana, which they all love.
They love.
I mean, we usually do banana pancakes.
Yeah.
But I think this pear twist is something that we're going to try for
Yeah.
sure. So when you plan your menu, do you think of the healthy angle, or is it like he likes to eat this, so I'm going to give this to him?
But see, my child is still young.
Yeah.
He doesn't know about all the unhealthy things yet.
Yet.
He doesn't know about all of them. Of
Yeah.
course, he knows about chips and things like
Yes,
that, but he doesn't get them regularly in any case. So
Yeah.
I don't even think of putting them in the box.
Yeah, and also you eat very healthy.
I try to be healthy, and I try to put things in there that I think I would eat myself.
This looks absolutely amazing. and I'm sure everybody will agree that their child is going to love to see a box like this when they're starving.
I know.
But I love how balanced and healthy this box is. Thank you so much, Anushka, for
I was
joining me.
Very happy to do it, and I will be sending you all the recipes
Yes,
on
and
WhatsApp.
we are going to actually put all the recipes in the comments. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.